Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a problem on the Agile and actually in particular the backlog board. Firstly, before showing you the problem, I would like to let you know that you have to enable the Agile board as well as the backlog board. Afterward, please make sure to have some issues that have story points predefined into them. Okay, so when you go to the backlog and see the versions tab, that is the core Redmine feature of the versions, you see that here onto the top column there are some of story points. Here we have 40, 20 and 8. Okay, so far so good. However, when you switch to sprints, that is the feature of our Agile plugin, we see that there is no story points calculated here onto the top. Okay, so this video is aiming to show you how to fix this problem. It is very easy. You have to expand the options here and then enable the story points. Okay, afterward apply the changes and you will see that now near the sprints there are story points enabled. Alright, so if you would like to not every time repeat these steps, you have to save your board and name it, for example, story points on the sprints backlog. Okay, so we save the board and yeah, if you clear the board and go somewhere else, for example the issues or spend time, and return back to the backlog, yeah, then you see on the versions by default the story points are appearing, and when you switch to sprints there are no story points. However, we have already saved this setting and it is here onto the right sidebar, Agile Sprints boards available for everyone, and it is story points on the sprints backlog. So we just click on here and the story points are going to appear onto the board and columns onto the top. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and good for you. If you like it, you could check others videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thanks again for watching and bye bye for now.